Hi, this is attorney Matthew Torres with Babun Torres P.A. in Miami, Florida. And today we're going to talk about family law. Family law is a broad umbrella that encompasses most domestic relation situations that a party finds themselves with. The most common issue under family law is probably the issue of divorce or dissolution here in Florida. It's important that if you're not, in essence, living under the same roof with the individual you may be legally married to, then you probably need to get divorced. Sometimes there's instances where parties live separate and apart, but they're not legally divorced, and it causes severe problems to the individual through third parties, be it employers, insurance companies, creditors. So we always recommend, if you find yourself in such a situation, to consult with an attorney to see what your options are. Also through a dissolution proceeding, and also sometimes not through a dissolution proceeding, there's issues of paternity, child custody, visitation, and support. Just because you were never legally married to somebody doesn't mean you don't have parental rights or the right to receive a potentially appropriate amount of child support in a given case. And then it's very important that you exercise your legal rights and the legal rights of your child to make sure that this is adequately provided for. Also, under family law umbrella, if you're contemplating getting married, you may want to think about entering into some sort of a prenuptial agreement or antenuptial agreement prior to marriage, so that you understand the person's financial situation and the commitments that they have prior to you marrying the individual and being legally and financially tied to that individual. It's very important that a person understand what they're agreeing to prior to taking steps such as being legally married, or even in instances, because this falls under family law too, adopting a child. Very important. The law provides for certain protections, particularly for the innocents, the really young, and the people with special needs, that's going to commit the parents, the adoptive parent, etc., to certain obligations. And it's important that you understand what your rights and responsibilities are in this arena so that you act accordingly. Even, for instance, sometime for older relatives in an elder law context, so that it's clear that if you're going to be the person who's doing things such as a guardianship for them, that it's appropriate that the case be adequately considered and the appropriate actions are taken. If you need assistance with regards to anything that I just discussed with regards to family law, contact our office through our website, miamilegalhelp.com, and make an appointment to speak to an attorney today. Thank you very much. This has been attorney Matthew Torres with Babun Torres P.A. in Miami, Florida, and thank you for watching this video.